Hey, what is up, everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So, for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete team member on Fresha. So, first, you may want to head over to fresha.com and, of course, make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, in the left panel, click on the team icon. So, from this page, you should be able to see a list of all your team members. Now, look for your member that you want to delete. Next, click on the Actions down button beside their name. And while there's no specific setting or option to delete a member, if you really want to delete someone from your team, just add over and click on Archive. This will remove them from the list and their account will become inactive from your store. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!